Welcome to the iBoysoft channel, where we fix computer problems, boost performance, and help you master your Mac or Windows PC. I'm Jenny, and today we're tackling a major headache for Mac users. Use NTFS drives on macOS Tahoe. If you've upgraded to macOS Tahoe and use NTFS drives, you're likely facing one of these nightmares. Your NTFS drives suddenly became read-only. You can view files but can't edit, delete, or save anything new. Your NTFS drives is not mounted in Disk Utility, not showing up on the desktop or in Finder after you plug them in. Worst of all, if you already had NTFS for Mac software, it might crash or stop working after the Tahoe update. Don't panic. I'll show you 3 ways to read and write to NTFS. First, the simplest fix to read and write to NTFS on macOS Tahoe. iBoysoft NTFS for Mac. This dedicated tool bypasses Apple's limitations entirely. Just install it, and your NTFS drives instantly work like regular Mac drives, no reformatting needed. You can open the NTFS drive to do whatever you like, for example, creating a new folder or deleting files. This NTFS for Mac tool supports macOS High Sierra and later macOS versions. It also allows you to repair NTFS drives and reformat drives to NTFS on Mac. You can download it with our link in the description. BTW, don't forget to uninstall the old NTFS for Mac. Another way to write to the NTFS drive is to reformat it to a Mac-compatible format, such as apps or macOS Extended Journaled. Nevertheless, this erases all data on your drive. Do this if you don't need the files anymore. Open Disk Utility and select your NTFS drive. Click Erase. Choose a proper format. If you only use it on a Mac, use apps for SSDs and modern Macs, or macOS Extended Journaled for HDDs or older macOS compatibility. Choose exFAT for large files or FAT32 if you need to use it on a Mac and a Windows PC. The third way is to create a boot camp partition. This is only recommended for users who want to run both macOS and Windows on an Intel-based Mac. If you'd like to give it a try, use Boot Camp Assistant to install Windows on a partition of your Mac. I'll link the tutorial below. This way you can boot into Windows to access the NTFS drive on your Mac. So which solution wins? For most users, iBoysoft NTFS for Mac is the safest, fastest fix to grant NTFS full read and write access on macOS Tahoe and earlier. You want to start fresh? Reformat the drive. If you need dual boot Windows and macOS, try Boot Camp. As a reminder, the old terminal command method is dead on Ventura, and later, don't waste time trying it. Which method worked for you? Drop a comment below. If this saved your workflow, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to unlock your Mac's full potential. Until next time.